Hello students, myself Kushali Sakute. Again welcome to Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Manmade online classes. Students, our 5th standards EVS first subject and chapter our Earth and our solar system. In some previous lectures, we learned this chapter means we complete all this chapter of our Earth and our solar system. In this chapter, we learn about satellite, dwarf planets, gravity and also solar system. So in this lecture we have to solve exercise of this chapter. So you see questions in your textbook. I will tell you answers of these questions. So student, see exercise and question number 1 you see in your book. What's the solution? One of the asteroids has fallen out of its place in the asteroid belt and it hurtling toward the sun. Our Earth is in its way and there is all likelihood of a collision. What can be done to prevent this collision? So we have to write here solution of this problem. So see answer. Answer is the first act to save the Earth can be attacking the asteroid with the help of missile. A missile can break an asteroid into smaller pieces. The second way is to change the path of an advancing asteroid. For changing the path of the asteroid, spaceship or missile can be used to push the asteroid aside. Space shuttle fitted with mirror can be used so that the reflected sun rays from such mirror can be bombarded on the asteroid. This will create the pressure on the asteroid and its advancing path can be changed. So, by use of laser rays, the surface of asteroid can be subjected to evaporation. This will create change in the mass of asteroid. We can also send extra material on the asteroid from the Earth. Such change in the mass of asteroid changes the orbit and the path of the asteroid. Do you understand students? Answer of the first question. What's the solution? Okay. Then next question number 2. You see question in your book. See here. Question number 2. Use your brain power. Means students, here you have to write answers of this question using your brain power. I will tell you answer of this question, but you have to write answer of this question in your own word using your brain power. So, sub question number 1. What will happen to our solar system if the sun was to suddenly disappear? Students, you know, sun has important role in our life. So, here is question. If the sun was to suddenly disappear, then what will happen to our solar system? I write it here some points. If the sun suddenly disappears, then first there would be darkness everywhere. You all know that sun has their own light, and if sun disappears, then what happen? There would be darkness everywhere. Then students, you know all the plants use sunlight for making their food. So, if sun disappear, then what will happen? All the plants will die as they will not be able to perform photosynthesis. Then third point, all the planets would stop revolving the Okay. Then 4 point. The cycle of day and night would come to halt. Then point number 5. There will not be weeks or months anymore. And point number 6. There will be uniformly only one season. Seasonal changes will come to an end. Then students, sub-question number 2. Suppose you want to give your address to your friend. Means students, you want to give your address to your friend when you have on the planet Mars. When you have on the planet Mars. How will you write your address if you want them understand exactly where you live? So students, I written here one pattern to given of address. So you see, first write Kumar or Kumari. Kumar for boys and Kumari for girls. Then write your name. After that, your address means Prasad. Then comma, Gokhale road, name of road. Then comma, where is this road? Dadar, in bracket, west, comma, Mumbai dash 400 028, again comma, then state of Maharashtra. And where is Maharashtra? Give comma and India. Then again put here comma, then continent of Asia, comma, Earth, comma, in bracket, third planet. And last, solar system, comma, Milky Way. And at last put full stop. Then students, see question number 3. In the picture below, correct the sequence of the planets from the sun. Students, in this chapter, we already learned sequence of the planets from the sun. In this picture, you have given sequence of planets from sun, but this is incorrect and you have to write correct sequence. So, see answer. Students, answer is, in the given picture, Mars and Earth's positions are interchanged. Similarly, the sequence of Jupiter and Saturn will also change. Therefore, the wrong sequence in the picture is Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. But this is correct sequence? No. The correct sequence should be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Students, I hope you understand. Then question number 4. See here. Who am I? Means this question is riddles type. Here you have given some riddles and you have to write answer. Who is this? Question is, who am I? So first, you can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. Who is this? Moon. Then next, number 2, I have my own light. It is only from me that the planets get light and heat. Students, tell me, who have their own light and who give light to planets? Correct. Answer is sun. Then number 3, I turn around myself around a planet and also around a star. Who is this? Satellite. Then number 4. See this riddle. I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. Who am I? Correct. Planet. 5th. No other planet has a living world like mine. Who is this? Earth. The last one, number 6. I am the nearest star to the earth. Who is nearest star to the earth? Correct. Sun. Do you understand, students? Okay. Now next, question number 5. Last question of this exercise. What is sub question? First sub question is A. For what purpose are rockets used in the space travel? Means students, rockets used in space travel. But what purpose? See here. Answer. Space launch technology is used to send spacecraft in outer space against the force of gravity. It requires tremendous amount of energy to launch the spacecraft, which is thousands of tons of weight. How much weight? Thousands of tons of weight. Students, the energy is obtained through burning of ample quantity of fuel present in the rocket. Thus, rockets are used to launch the spacecraft in space travel. Then last sub question B. What information do man-made satellites provide? We learn in chapter man-made satellites provide which information or what information about which things? So students, man-made satellites provide useful information on agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, searching for water and minerals from the earth. And such information can be used to make maps. Man-made satellites are also used in telecommunications. Do you understand, students? All this exercise of chapter our earth and our solar system. Okay, students. In next lecture, we will start our next points. So, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.